your pretty eyes.
Good morning, dear students. Today we will see lesson 7 of class 5, My Story. So here we will see question number 4. We have to complete the table with action words. This is about tense, present tense, past tense and future tense. Here what happened is in the present tense, what happened in the past is about past tense, what is likely to happen in the future is the future tense. So we have got some blanks in this table, like leaves. In the past we'll have to write lived, and in future it is will leave. It is given. Now in the second row you can see there is a printing mistake in the textbook. It is given as flies, danced and will dance. So in place of flies it will be dances, then past tense danced and future tense will dance. And this flies will come in the third row. It is flies, then flew will fly, then pollutes, polluted will pollute, helps, helped will help, writes, wrote will write. So there are two mistakes. In place of dances, flies is given, and in place of polluted, where we have to write, it is given as helped. Okay, so correct it. It is given wrongly in the textbook. Thank you.
Your pretty eyes make me smile, and your little fits make me stay.